Hello, आज हम discuss करेंगे why location is crucial in real estate. Good location is key in deciding property value and returns. Location impacts property value directly. High demand areas bring higher appreciation potential. Understand the growth potential. Nearby amenities like schools and hospitals make a property more desirable. Buyers prefer areas that offer lifestyle convenience. Easy access to transportation, like metro or highways, boosts property value. Commuter-friendly areas are always in demand. A safe neighborhood adds value. Security and low crime rates attract buyers, keeping demand high. New infrastructure projects can raise an area's value. Knowing about upcoming development can guide you to invest smartly. So remember, investing in the right location boosts returns. Like, subscribe and share for more real estate insights.